Hey, how are you? Jodie here from The 7 Effect, and it's been a couple of days since I've popped in. I've had the most amazing week. So it's Friday. I'm about to knock off for the week and go and have a drink with my beautiful partner, Jace. But I wanted to jump in with an update around how you can build your Facebook page. Oh, I haven't got my mic plugged in. I was just working in the other room and this is the thing. You're not fully organised, Jodie. So bear with that, folks. Now let me test if we are using the hype mic. We are. All right, so hopefully we've got a bit of a sound now. But let's talk about in this video your Facebook page and content marketing. So content marketing is essentially building a brand and marketing your services by providing content. And one of the first steps, the very first thing you need to do is get your brand pillars in place. So if you've been following the journey, you will have met a couple of weeks ago, maybe. If you haven't, you can scroll down and see the interview with her. Martine, the amazing Martine Van Stein, who is helping me build my own Jodie Nevid brand, but also rebuild our ads and marketing campaigns using Facebook ads because the 7 Effect page was hacked and we can't use Business Manager from that page anymore. So anyway, here's one of the most valuable things that Martine has done with me first and foremost. The first question she said is, Jodie, what are your brand pillars? As in the key things that you talk about. And I love this because I have some very key focus areas that I love to talk about in my business. And I recommend that if you are wanting to build your Facebook page and come up with a really clear content marketing strategy, we get your brand pillars in place. So you want 5. I'll share with you more on what to do with them next week in a couple of little mini lessons. But let me just show you my brand pillars. So this is just a basic planning Word document. 5 pillars, and the brand pillars are essentially the key focus areas or the topics that you talk about that are a big part of your brand. So let me share with you what mine are, and then I want you to go away and think about, well, what are yours? By the way, this Word document, I turned it into a PDF so I could drag it in here for you. If you are watching and you have any questions, please post them in the comments below and I will be sure to answer them. But by the way, if you want a copy of this rough old PDF that I've made, just type brand in the comments below and I'll flick you a copy of my notes. It's just my planning notes. Here's what I have, the 5 pillars, and then some conversation starters or some brainstorming ideas around content that I could create under each of these pillars. So my first brand pillar is all about travel and adventure. I'm a travel junkie and I love to explore new things and do adventurous stuff. So one of the things that I will create content around is daring to dream, going on adventures, traveling as a lifestyle entrepreneur when we get out of isolation again, that is. Creativity and innovation is a biggie. Walt Disney is one of my heroes, and this whole Imagineering idea I absolutely love. Hey, Belinda Schulz is here. Hello, Belinda. It's great to have you tuning in live. Thanks for watching and saying hi. So creativity and innovation, big brand pillar for me. Lifestyle entrepreneur, absolutely a big brand pillar for me. And what I talk about in Lifestyle Entrepreneur is building a business that will give you the life of your dreams. Another brand pillar for me is natural vitality. So a big part of what I love is healthy whole foods. I love my juicer. I love my dehydrator. I love anything that's around natural health. I've done lots of detoxes and I'm really into, natural skincare products and healing and teaching our body how to, well, we don't need to teach it because the body already knows, but allowing our body to heal itself, creating space so our body could heal itself. And then my 5th brand pillar is all about high value humans. So I really admire people who add massive value to the world through the work that they do, through the person that they are, through the content that they create. and just from being who they are. So I really want to, in my content, not only teach people how to be high value humans, but also showcase other high value humans that I see around the place. So thank you very much for all the love hearts that you're sending through. I'm betting that's you, Belinda. I appreciate that. If you do want a copy of the brand pillars, just type brand in the comments below and I will be sure to flick you just a PDF. It's nothing fancy, my friends. It's literally just my brainstorming notes. But I wanted to let you know that the very first step in this journey to building your Facebook page or building your brand is getting your pillars in place. Next week, I'll be back with some more mini lessons around what to do with that. But let me give you some insight. I think it's this one. Yeah, boom, look at that. So this is the amazing work of Martine. Now that we have my brand pillars, she then plots out the social media feeds and schedules it all. So a month ahead, well, a week, the last week of each month, we plan for the coming month that's coming up. And basically you can see here, so this is Martine's done this for me, from the 1st of May. Oh, hey, Suzanne, how are you? Have we got your brand pillars in place? I'd love you to type them below and let me know if you want my my dodgy notes. They're not dodgy, actually. They're great notes, but they're just not beautifully formatted. It's just literally a Word document. But anyway, it's just conversation starters and ideas around each of my brand pillars. So Martine has gone from the 1st of May all the way through to the 30th of May. And what you can see here is she then finds images. She asks me, what's 2 or 3 people that you want to showcase? She looks at, all right, what are the special events throughout the month of May? If you Google World Days, obviously May the 4th is where you can expect to see my Star Wars picture there. But you'll notice that there's a specific design to it all. It's not just a bunch of random images, but there's a pop of yellow through there, and she's specifically created a style so that it all looks pretty on Instagram. Martine uses a scheduling app called Later, and basically we set it all up, and then week by week I go in, she gives me a template, and I just write captions or blog posts under each of these images. So the images link back to different brand pillars, and it's all very strategic. It makes light work of doing content marketing in a really powerful way. So Suzanne is telling us what her pillars are. By the way, Suzanne is one of our lifestyle business builders who's doing epic things. She's got a program called 5 in 4. She helps women lose weight by working with the unconscious mind and shifting emotional baggage that could be holding them back. I've done Suzanne's program. It's amazing. She did a like to dislike exercise with me, took away white bread, and it used to talk to me. The white bread that Jason buys for his kids sits on the fridge, and it used to call me because it's that soft, fluffy white bread with peanut butter. But I have not, Suzanne, in all these months, had a slice of that white bread since, and I haven't even wanted any. The other thing is I've just completely changed the food that I eat in terms of cravings. They don't exist anymore. So Suzanne's work is amazing. Her pillars are mind, body, wisdom, food, and movement. And they're great pillars as well, Suzanne. By the way, hot tip for anyone watching and wanting to know more about putting your brand pillars in place, a good idea is to do one of them a little bit quirky, something new, uniquely you. So Suzanne, yours are very on point with your work and what you do, but you might want to consider having one that's very Suzanne. So for mine, creativity and innovation is very on point for my brand. It's very me. I love Walt Disney. I love Imagineering, and also travel and adventure, even the high value human. So we go, all right, what's Suzanne's version of those things. And your brand is something that will evolve over time. And have fun with it, by the way. Hey, Sviko's here as well. Great to see you. So, Sviko, I was just sharing with everybody step 1 about building your brand pillars. We talked about this in the business builder. I think it was in one of the Life Raft sessions. Was it this week? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this week. And Sviko, I let everyone know that I've just put together this document with my 5 brand pillars. You can see them there. And what I've been doing is just brainstorming some ideas under each of the brand pillars as conversation starters. So I'm going, right, I shall never be lost for ideas again around what to write about. I like to work week at a time. So I've got my brand pillars. We plan out the month of May. You look for what are the key dates, any special World Health Day or World Women's International Day or International Day of Women, whatever it might be. And then you map that out and basically have fun creating content that aligns with your brand pillars, the stuff that's going on in the world, and the messages that you want to share in your business as part of what you do in your work. So that's it, really. I just wanted to jump in and say, yay for Friday. It's been an epic week at the 7 Effect. Just this morning, I found out that 3 of our Lifestyle Business Builder students leveled in with amazing numbers for last month. So if you think now is not a good time to be building a business, you are absolutely wrong. Now is a great time to be building a business. Our students are getting amazing results. In fact, one of them was on our call this morning and she celebrated the fact that she just landed a $10,000 contract. Yay! So we had a big celebration and yeah, there's lots of cool stuff happening in the Business Builder program. Sviko says, awesome. I don't have pillars yet. I'll look at yours for some inspo. Brilliant. I'll actually post this in the Business Builder forum so that everyone can get a copy of it afterwards as well. By the way, month of May, we have 5 places opening up to join the Lifestyle Business Builder program. If anyone's interested in jumping on board and kicking off, building their dream business, designing their dream life, I would love to talk to you about how I can help you do exactly that. Our students are getting phenomenal results and we're having an absolute blast doing it. So that's it from me. Thank you everybody for tuning in and watching live. If you are watching the replay, by all means just type below brand or gimme the PDF thing, whatever you want to type, and I'll private message you with the PDF, a copy of that. I'll just send it to you in a direct message, or hunt me down, Jodie Nevid, and just send me a message and say, can you give me that brand pillar thing, Jodie? And I'll send it to you. It's all yours. It's just my notes. Might help you with a bit of inspo. Have a beautiful weekend. In fact, what I might do this weekend, stay tuned, is I'll give you a tour of our extension. Belinda, you might be interested to see this. Your amazing nephew, Jason Schulz, building our home. It's a big project, but we are having progress every week now, and it's really exciting. So there's still a long way to go, but I'll give you all a bit of a tour this weekend. Maybe I can even convince Jason to talk us through what's happening and what stages we're at. All right, see you later, everyone. See you on the other side. Bye-bye.